Oh my god.
Here we are at the famous statue.
Oh my god. Hey guys, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel once again. I hope every one of you is doing good. By God's grace, me and my husband and all our family here in Germany, we are doing good as well. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to our very first episode of Budapest Series. Budapest is the capital of Hungary, a very beautiful country in Europe. We went on a 4-day trip to Budapest. My husband has been here a few times already, but for me, this was my first time. And I can't wait to introduce this beautiful city to all of you guys. Itulah Budapest la series to mix format hobo English, Nagamese, aro all of Lotha mix na to mix and match over there. The beautiful city of Budapest is divided by the iconic Danube river into two parts, the historical Buda side with its hills and castles, which we will explore later, and the modern buzzing Pest side. And today we are going to be walking through the vibrant street of Pest. So guys, we are waiting now to go for the walking tour. For how long is it? It's I think for 2.5 hours.
Usually, yeah.
Yes, so let's go and explore Budapest together. Yay! So it's to a modern building, just in front of it, it's a historical building. Mantang or church na, manubi man pishas sorry. Yedo restaurants kanase. So it's like public square nishna. Aroidula country to Kilipishi famous as Kushukuledo. It is connected with very deep and fascinating history. Religion la hinsaptedo Christians manukan pishiase. Aro mostly do Roman Catholic kanase. Aro yade dahan pishi sundur na churches kan aro Basilica kanase. Aji mohan ekta pishi sundur Basilica ekta China visit kruwo. Guys mohan idia do Saint Stephen's Basilica de ahikinase. Idu Saint Stephen's Basilica do it's over 100 years old as there, and it is considered to be the tallest building in the city. Aro pahar de ekla bra sundur nohoina. Holobi Pitore jaishe kuledo aya ini sai thaki bole mun pitore jaishe kuledo arobi impressive ase apni khan dikha nishina sabedo du glass khan debi painting hoina ase aro roof kan pura phal bra painting kurina ase depicting mostly stories about the Bible ajitak bi after 100 years yade Roman Catholic la service khan tahan loe aro ekta impressive thing do itula church la opor de mohan stairs to climb up kurishe kuledo you will see the beautiful view of the entire city. To tourist kan tahan church pitore na jai lebi opore jai na city la view do enjoy kore tahan. Aro idia mohan olop expensive jaga de jase to Budapest la aro sabse sundur wala jaga. Etu yade manukan Hollywood movies kan Bollywood movies kan bishi shoot kuri na se.
Dale zoom. Budapest was born in 170.
Oh guys, yade na itu building kan normal building kan bi na dikhe de itu do shopping center ase itu condition ase do and historical buildings kan ni ase kwa city square de sorry do amount sundur flowers kan ase in the middle of the city na amount sundur itu kan kila flower goyo aro yate bi ekta square ase etu square matlab to manu khan ne to public spaces kan na restaurants kan noishule do kiki functions ta kan namde manu khan cater kuro weekly markets kan for example to apni kan dikhani shne do chutu na stalls kan kulinas na homemade products kan sabido etu kan do clay ra bana ase man lively. All of Germany there Christmas market nishna December de piche de tour khatama piche de all of check out kuri sabo kiki kini wale na all of momento khan kini wale over lively as it's like in the middle of the week Thursday there and it's like 1 o'clock, but still it's so lively. Wow.
So we can mount them. They are standing with engine.
Are you still hungry?
Rest your tires. So we've been walking for what, 40 minutes or something like that? All right. I try not to use a microphone.
So here we are at the famous statue, and Beni will explain you later what it stands for.
So basically we are in a market square, so where local people used to come and we can eat street food later.
And there's the hard rock over there.
Yeah. Do you want to buy a...
Goulash became the staple of our cuisine a few decades back. Nobody knows why and how. In most parts of the world, when you say goulash, it's going to mean a hot stew. Here, it's a soup. There's still plenty of things in it, including beef and spices such as red paprika, which is one of the cornerstones of our cuisine.
Anukan ito na giant ferry de China view bi sawle paro bishe. Haloi makan achida na jawo. Sabe, mala mata ke hudiwo. Tai enjoy kores na nai. Balu, are you having fun?
Yeah, but I'm hungry also.
Every time you're
But I'm
hungry,
hungry in
oh,
Hungary.
but this is very nice. This is like all the restaurants now. They're so beautiful. Balu, do you think that the plants are natural? Or
Yes,
no?
real one.
That's not true. No. Ah, yeah, they are. Maybe later on we can also go into one of these good-looking restaurants. No?
All of that, yeah.
It somehow reminds me a little bit of the Vidusha Boulevard in Sofia.
It's very similar. Yeah.
The vibe, I mean. It's so many people. Okay. Wow. Budapest is also known for its many beautiful bridges, which are more than just ways to cross the river. Oh my god, guys, I never thought that I will be hyping so much about bridges in my life because I always assumed that bridges are just means of connectivity. But here in Budapest, they are not just bridges, but they're actual landmarks. The most famous ones are the Chain Bridge and the Liberty Bridge. Well, they're just so beautiful. You might have probably seen them in several Bollywood and Hollywood films like Mission Impossible and a very famous Bollywood movie Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Yeah, the Pishi movies can shoot green as it. Ito one of the bridge the Pishi famous as it. Sundur as it. Manakan pictures can be man was as it.
It's not. I'm literally smiling naturally. So like even.
Kiman be sundur as it. Oh my god. So beautiful. Alright, we are the Sundara Segwa. Ektabi Sundar na thakala nai. Sabi daw, mula moda daw tala keep the power siya. Sunburn khawle siya. Red green as it tala matha. Okay. So, Balu, so it seems if you touch the knee, it will bring good luck. That's the reason why here in this part it's almost golden and the rest it's gray.
Very good.
So,
Good luck.
I hope we will be lucky. Now, can you hold it? So, here are the last stop the jazz. Hungarian Parliament Building. Paro yadebara. All of you the savo. Sabi. This is the jawaro. Ito bichi one last stop. Aro Mohalaturo Kodom. Okay guys, now let's talk about this building, the Hungarian Parliament. I don't know what to say. This is easily one of the most jaw-dropping government buildings that I've seen. The parliament is considered as one of the largest parliaments in Europe and some say the most beautiful, and I totally agree. To takhan parliament do inasde he. Sabi da yate do takhan lawmakers kan politicians kan mohan de India de parliament house kanishna Delhi de tahan be Budapest de tahan la parliament do Hungarian la parliament do itu asde man sundur na kina lage aro rati de especially bishi sundur aro lights kan hu aro thick parliament do sore ado train line kan thagiwo aro tula building kan do restaurants kan na moi kwanishna yadala buildings kan do normal building kan ase man historical building nishna dikhe orbe bishi huwa karne ta hana chirali do shopping mall le restaurants hotel kan banai de na aro yade mola mota do bhuk lagi ase Tai ye lop chudi khana sana khan khelai dio lage. Na balu? Apni bhuk lage is na?
I'm hungry.
Sabi to moi kopchi. Phat khawa jawa ibi. Balu? Phat khawa. Phat khawa na nai? Khabo. Say khabo. Phat khawa na nai?
Kabo.
Kabo. Ayui do. Ayui. Ayui means come baby. Itu do Spanish group kan la. Tour ho ase dia. She exact location shilo na movies tangha nam shoot se do dia. So this is like the historical part. Putu mohan dia dikhado na. Aro actually mohan thakala area kan do on modern area ya kan. Aro manukan ko ase ki itu river la behind it thaka kan do rich manukan thaiye kushe. Guys itu sabido ena la pot tikshina dikhana apni kan pass ase de do. It's a bus. Oh my god, super cute. It's a bus floating. Ayo, puta do 좀 먼저 쓰나서 나로 해. 아닌데. 아유. Oh my god. So guys, we are done with the walking tour and now we are enjoying the beautiful view of the Danube River and the Buta side of Budapest. Let's ask my husband how he found the tour. Did you like it?
Yeah, but tiring.
Obviously, because we walked for around 3 hours. That's why we are very tired. But how do you find the city? Do you think it's beautiful?
They're very beautiful. And the trees are super lush. On the other side.
Yeah.
And the vibes, oh my god, the vibes, I'm telling you, they're vibing like anything.
Vibes or vibe?
I don't know.
Wipes. We are going to now go and find a place to eat because my husband, as you can see, is very tired. He's yawning like anything. So let's eat food and go. And later on, maybe if we feel like it, we will go for a boat tour. Okay, so let's go, baby. Say okay. Yeah, so we don't the store. I think it's like a marketing strategy. It's a marketing strategy. So now we are at the bus and we are going. I think this street is for luxury restaurants kan, to luxury stores kan la area se do na. Sabi. So corners of area de la historical buildings kan ase ko. Oi, sundur na. So beautiful. Actually, public transport use grace, yeah, because the gari parking la olap cities kan de do kote olap dubai do na parking paole. Itu karne public transport use grace de, and so far the public transport is so great here as well. Time there hai aro rush hour de do manu bishi thake with best thing is napundai. It was it. Aro mohan itu walking tour de barachani paise ki yate Budapest de Jewish community kan pishe ase. Guys, to mohan next video de do Jewish quarter de jawo aro tate ekta tangor synagogue ekta visit kuruwo aro we will all learn about the stories from the World War II. Aji karne to eman ase. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Bye for now, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.